Have you ever wondered how ISO 27001 can completely change the way how a company handles data security? In today's episode, I am going to share you a real story how we at Popularcert helped a technology-driven company based in Mysore to achieve ISO 27001 system framework and how this journey helped them to establish a framework which is reliant and compliant for ISO 27001 system requirements. If you are a business owner, IT professional or a consultant, this episode is specially for you. Stay tuned and you will come to know what ISO 27001 project actually looks like. In the digital era we live in, data is everything, from client details to internal processes. Businesses in Mysore are now realizing that protecting data isn't optional anymore. From clients, business partners, and even regulators, they ask proof for information security. And ISO 27001 is exactly that, a globally recognized framework which can manage information security management system in your businesses. So when we started the project, our first goal was simple: to understand the organization's context. We looked at internal challenges like staff skills and infrastructure gaps, and external factors such as client expectations and evolving compliance laws. We also identified key stakeholders such as employees, partners, and customers to clearly understand who is impacted by information security. And you know what? This step helped us build a foundation for a targeted and relevant ISMS framework. Next, we defined the scope of their ISMS. This meant deciding which processes, departments, and digital assets would be covered, including remote access systems, client data handling, and third-party integrations. Getting the boundaries right at the start is very much crucial. It ensures that the certification later truly reflects the organization's real-world operations. So once the scope was clear, we developed their complete ISMS manual, the backbone of ISO 27001 implementation. Even though maintaining ISMS manual is not mandatory and it's optional, but that was client's request. We have to create one. So this request was considered and we helped them in creating one. This included information security practices, objectives, rules and responsibilities, risk assessment methodology, and performance monitoring plans. We made sure every section was tailored to how they work and not just template pulled from the internet. By the end of the stage, the company had a structured, documented system that their teams could carefully use and maintain. After documentation, we moved to risk identification and control selection. We identified key threats, things like phishing, unauthorized access, and accidental data lost, and rated each based on likelihood and impact. Then we created the statement of applicability, selecting the relevant controls from Annex A and recommending practical safeguards to mitigate those risks. This step brought a lot of clarity to team. They could now see where the biggest vulnerabilities were and how to handle them. The next challenge was people. We helped the client assign clear ownership to each processes. Human resource, IT, administration, and management all had defined responsibilities. We also conducted awareness sessions to everyone in order to understand why security matters, because it is not just what to do. This change in mindset made a huge difference. People started taking ownership of protecting information. By the end of the project, the company had a complete audit-ready ISMS with policies, a risk management register, statement of applicability, and trained employees. But the real achievement wasn't the documentation, it was the confidence they gained. They knew exactly how to handle client data securely, how to respond to incidents, and how to continuously improve. Across Mysore, more businesses are following this path. From IT to healthcare to education, everyone's realizing that ISO 27001 isn't just about compliance, it's about building that trust and staying competitive. When you are certified, you don't just get a piece of paper. You demonstrate that your business takes data protection seriously. So, if you are a Mysore based company thinking about ISO 27001, don't look at it as just a paperwork exercise. Look at it as a business growth project. At Popularcert, we have helped organizations build systems that actually work, from documentation to training and audit readiness. To learn more, visit our website www.popularcert.com or like our LinkedIn page for more insights. Thank you so much for watching today's video. For more such informational videos, like our channel, subscribe so that we can stay engaged and you will get more insights about ISO 27001 standard.